Welcome to Creator OS, where we empower ambitious individuals like you to turn your dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into an inspiring business opportunity that embraces sustainability and community while delivering profits: urban farming. Imagine a world where we transform underutilized spaces in our cities into lush, green havens of productivity. Urban farming allows us to cultivate the earth right where we live, producing fresh, organic foods for ourselves and our neighbors. It's not just about growing greens. It's about growing connections within our communities and supporting local economies. But what makes urban farming such a golden opportunity? Well, first and foremost is the pressing demand for local, organic produce. Consumers are increasingly conscious about where their food comes from and are seeking healthier options that are just a stone's throw away. This trend has paved the way for urban farmers to step in and provide a solution that's not only profitable, but immensely beneficial for our environment. So how do you embark on this exciting journey? Let's take a look at key revenue streams that can help you thrive in urban farming. Picture this: direct sales to consumers via bustling farmers markets and user-friendly online platforms. You'll build rapport with your customers at every turn, engaging them in the joy of fresh produce. Now, consider the relationships you'll foster with local restaurants and retailers. They're always on the lookout for fresh ingredients, and by supplying them with your bounty, you establish predictable income streams that keep your financial garden flourishing. Don't forget about the educational aspect. You can conduct workshops or guided tours teaching others about urban farming practices. People are eager to learn about sustainability and how they can start their own backyard gardens. And if you have a knack for helping others, consultancy services can be another golden opportunity to share your knowledge and experience. Ready to take the next step? Start by scouting out ideal locations: rooftops, vacant lots, or even community gardens waiting for a touch of green. Partner up with local businesses and organizations that are passionate about this movement. Together, you can cultivate vibrant spaces that will draw the community closer. And when it comes to crops, aim for high-yield, fast-growing varieties. This strategy ensures you quickly establish a name for yourself in the market and begin generating revenue in no time. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the potential impact of urban farming. Not only can it lead to personal profits, but it also fosters a sense of community, sustainability, and resilience in urban environments. It's about using our ingenuity to turn concrete jungles back into green spaces, nourishing both mind and body. As a reminder, this video provides insights based on market trends and community needs. But as with any business venture, always conduct thorough research and consider local regulations before getting started. If you found today's content inspiring, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more brilliant ideas like urban farming. And remember, for an ultimate command center for your digital village, visit creatoros.me, where you can build, manage, and grow your business with powerful tools and AI-driven insights. Until next time, keep growing and thriving.